My name's Joshua Oates. I've been a broker at Switch Finance here for about 2.5 years. Well, prior to becoming a mortgage broker, I was a chef working in fine dining and Italian traditional cooking. And then COVID came about, the hours dried up. I bumped into my mate Raymond Dib here at a sushi restaurant of all places. We got chatting, the rest is history. Well, COVID gave me the opportunity to do so, but look, cooking's a hard. This is much more personal, something where I get to put a bit more of my personality into it, and it's just a whole lot of fun. My favorite thing about being a mortgage broker would be putting the pieces of the puzzle together like a jigsaw. A client will come to me and say, Josh, this is my position, this is where I stand, and I need to put those pieces of the puzzle together. I couldn't imagine doing what I do without the support from Switch Finance here. By having the support staff here, it allows me to go and do what I like to focus on, which is networking with new clients, building rapport, and focusing on the overall game there. And they can come back and do a lot of the other more monotonous tasks or other things that I don't have to necessarily spend my time on. So it's quite a symbiotic process once we all put it together. Would like to think I've come leaps and bounds since joining Switch. I've had a lot of very good advice from some sound brokers here at Switch. We all lean on each other when we've got different scenarios or different deals on our desk here. And if I was doing it by myself, I'd still be working on some of those clients from years ago. There's a wealth of knowledge here at Switch Finance, and it's fantastic to lean on, especially when you're taking on higher volume, which is what I'm trying to focus on here. And you can work out those deals much quicker rather than spending too much time on something. It's fantastic being able to pick some of the more senior experienced brokers' brains. When you're working with the banks very rarely give you a solution to a problem. They say, this is our criteria, it's up to you to sort it out. When you're working with other brokers who have been doing this for years and years, they can very quickly qualify where a deal needs to go, how it needs to be packaged, and who may be suitable, who may not be. So it saved me a lot of time, it saved the clients a lot of time, and it helped me get into this line of work very quickly. I could not imagine doing this job on my own. I know a lot of other brokers out there are a one-man band, so to speak, and they're doing the transactions right from speaking to the client on day one all the way through to settlement and post-settlement. What Switch Finance offers is time back to a broker. As I said, I couldn't imagine doing it by myself. I'm actually planning a trip to Brazil later this year, and the support staff are going to be looking after a lot of those transactions whilst I'm away. Of course, I'll oversee whatever's going on in my absence, but Switch basically gives me the freedom to head overseas, say bon voyage, and know that my clients are being looked after. The best part is whilst I'm away, I can still take on new business whilst the support look after some of the other admin sides as well without interrupting my holiday. I would say to any broker out there who is currently a one-man band, do you want more time and want to write more volume? Join Switch Finance.